I always wondered how they put the chapter timestamps in videos so you can search ahead to certain parts of videos that a viewer would want to see. And I was searching around and I found how to do that, so I thought I'd show y'all how I did it. First of all, go to your video and go through your video, and everywhere there's a new chapter, write down the time. Down there, write down the time. What I did is I opened up a notepad and I went through, and on the video I went and did all the times that every scene started, and I copied them all down all the way to the end. To make this work, what you have to do, you have to put the word time codes first, and then you have to start out with 0:00 for the algorithm to pick it up. And you copy and you paste all this when you go to edit your video. You already have to upload the video, that way you can get the timing of each scene. And then you go to the edit video, and when you click on edit video, you'll be able to take on the notepad where you copied, and then when you go down the edit video, you paste it in. This one I already did, and it shows right there where it says time codes. That's first, and 00. You can put anything you want in every the time descriptions. And then after you do that, you'll hit save video. I'll go ahead and hit the edit video. And I've already done this. And then after you put it in, it's in the script, it goes into the description. You paste it in, and then you hit save. I'll just do this so it'll come up save. And then you hit save, and you're done. It's all good. It all comes up. Here's my channel page right there. This is the video that I just finished doing. Right there. And the scenes come up. Right there underneath the pictures.
I had a 12, 13.
So somebody's searching for certain things.
Surely it's going to be a
like he wanted to look at the coin spill. There you go, right there. After you save it, that's how you do that.
But it's not.
I just thought I'd share that with y'all. Maybe some of y'all would be interested in doing that, but that's how you do it. Use the word time codes, and then start out with 0:00, and then every single scene you can put the time in and what that scene is. And there you go, you got chapter timestamps. Just that easy. Well, I hope y'all get something good out of this. I hope it did okay for y'all. Alright, later on.